Hello, once again welcome to Mathline channel. In this channel, you can watch a basic math lesson every week. Those who have not watched the previous lessons, please watch from the beginning and continue watching. Also, share and subscribe the channel Mathline. So, let us start today's lesson. The topic is indices or powers or exponents. All the three terms are same. It is a special type of number, indices or powers or exponents. If you understood the square and cube of a number, it is very easy to understand indices. Look at these examples. I took any number 3. So the first step, 3 into 3. You know that 3 into 3, repeated multiplication by itself 2 times, is nothing but square of 3. This also expressed as 3 and right top 2 is written. In this form also expressed as square of 3. This 3 represent which number is repeatedly multiplied. And this 2 represent how many times repeated. And this also read as, we know that this is square of 3. It is also read as 3 raised to 2. 3 raised to 2. Also 3 to the power of 2. Understood? It is nothing but square of 3. Now look at the next step. The same number I have taken. 3 into 3 into 3. 3 times repeated. We learned that. It is nothing but cube. But it is cube of 3. It is also expressed in the same form 3 and the small 3. It is little smaller to the right top. That is read as 3 raised to 3. In this form of number, that is 3 raised to 2, also read as 3 square, it is square. 3 raised to 3, or it is nothing but 3 cube. The number in this form is called index or indices plural. The numbers in this form, that is how it is written, 3 raised to 2. Here 3 raised to 3 means what? 3 into 3 into 3. 3 raised to 2 means what? 3 into 3. This already you have learned. It is nothing but square and cube. In this form of expressing numbers is called indices. So here there is special name for this 3 and 2. 3 is called base. What it is? Base. And this 2 is called index or exponent or power. Here 3 raised to 3, or it is 3 cube. Here 3 is base, also index is 3 or power is 3 or exponent is 3. Now the same number repeatedly multiplied 4 times 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. How you will represent this in the form of indices? 3 raised to 4. See the size of the base and index. Base is bigger and the index is little smaller size and to the right top of the base. And this is read as similarly here 3 raised to 4. Here there is no separate name like cube and square. Only when the index is 2, it is square. When the index is 3, it is cube. That we already studied what is square and cube. This is 3 raised to 4. How you will write using power or 3 to the power of 4. Which is the base? 3 is the base and 4 is the index. Now here 3 cube. I told you now when the index is 3, we can write as 3 cubed or cube of 3. Now see, look at this example. What index I have written? 1. Or the base is only one time. One time repeat. So 3 raised to 1, that is nothing but 3. Clear? So any number we can write in the base index form, that is the form of indices with the index 1. 7 equal to 7 raised to 1 means 7 only. 10 equal to 10 raised to 1. Clear? So understood what is base and index? So what is general form? A raised to m. A is base and m is index. Its meaning is A how many times repeated? M times repeated. If m is 3, 3 times. If m is 4, 4 times A into A into A into A. If m is equal to 7, 7 times. A into A into A into A into A into A. Like that. So this is the general form of the number indices. That is that A raised to m. A is the base and m is the index. So here also all these are all examples for indices. 3 square, 3 cube or 3 raised to 2, 3 raised to 3, 3 raised to 4. Also it read as 3 to the power of 4, 3 to the power of 2, 3 to the power of 3. This form of numbers are called indices. And you know the relation between them, how it is obtained. It can be seen that the multiplication is repeated or it is obtained by repeated multiplication. The base number is repeatedly multiplied. How many times? What is according to the index. So indices are nothing but repeated multiplication. Like you have studied, multiplication is repeated addition. Division is repeated subtraction. Similarly, repeated multiplication is what? Indices or powers or exponents. Clear? What is meant by indices? And the value of the indices is what product you are obtaining. What is the value of 3 raised to 2? 3 into 3, 9. What is the value of 3 raised to 3? 3 into 3 into 3. The answer 27, like that. That is the value of the index. This number generally called as indices or powers or exponents. And general form is a raised to m, where a is the base and m is the index or power or exponent. Clear? All the three are different terms used for the same type of number, that is indices, base index form. Now, more about indices you can learn in the upcoming classes. So, today I would like to end this lesson. Thank you for watching this lesson. Also, share this video as much as possible. Also, subscribe the channel Mathline, or if you like this lesson, please press like button, and if you are having any doubt regarding the lesson, you can ask in the comment box. So see you next week with a new topic without fail. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Thank you.